before we head to the ferry.
Sama na yan. Abang huran pa yan. Bawi na. Gibawi na.
Kumar sa dugay panahon naghalok-halok na mo. Pero katong mga haluka puro to illegal. Karon kay na-declare naman pirma na may kulang. Tuguti nga kabintaran mo saksi sa inyong unang tamis o legal na halok. Which is the bride. Niya di ko gusto ko smakla ito with na nag-anak na, pero dili na-capture sa camera. Kaya di na may mag-ihap. Kung ikaw, ihapan pa rin na. Okay, which is the bride.
Congratulations sa atong newlywed couple and of course sa atong solemnizing officer. Thank you, Honorable Mayor Rini James Balanza. And at this point, we will have our full opportunity to start with our couple, our newlywed couple, ang ilang first official nilang photo. So ato sa Tagalog, napatabak na sa atong.
Alright, so leading by our best man, and just stay there at the aisle. And of course, our bridesmaids, leading by the maid of honor. Please come forward for their entrance. Let's give a hand. Pagpakan po na ito ang ilang He will serve us today. Be happy today. This is a wedding day, a celebration of happiness and joy. Okay, may I request the four